And what's up, you guys? Welcome to the Mango Grove. My name is Krisha, and this is going to be an analysis on XRP, aka Ripple. As you can see, we have green candles across the board. So not just Bitcoin, but the altcoins as well. Everything is looking fantastic. But now question is, does Ripple also have a chance to actually rip to the upside? Well, let's find out in this video. Now, we are going to be starting off with the monthly time frame, okay? Because, well, we did open the brand new month of December. So let's go ahead and figure out how did price close relative to those key monthly levels. Okay, because if we took out a critical region of resistance, yeah, at that point, the high probability outcome there is likely continuation to the upside, right? So as far as Ripple is concerned on the monthly time frame, if I have to go ahead and really plot in my regions of, well, resistance to the upside, this one is a bit tricky. There are a lot of violations on Ripple's charts, as you can see right here, but I think we can plot in a pretty decent level here at around 70 cents, okay? We'll round up to 70. From where price is at right now to around 70 cents, that's still going to be a good 10% to the upside. Can we get there relatively soon? Well, for that, let's actually get into the Mango dashboard to see what those trends are telling us, okay? Now, you guys can find the dashboard on app.mangoresearch.co. Now, we use the dashboard to filter out the coins worth looking at. Okay, this is going to help us establish whether or not we could actually find continuation to the upside, or hell, if you're looking to get into a trade but you're looking for that pullback opportunity, we use the dashboard to also help us understand whether or not it's time to be expecting that pullback. Alrighty, it's very, very powerful in the insights that it gives you. Now, you guys can see that XRP is number 5 on the list, which means the trading volume on XRP right now is picking up. It's picking up big time. Now, if I get into the drop-down menu, you can see that 4-hour to 12-hour time frame, we have bullish long trend signals on those two time frames with positive returns. So we're seeing that, hey, the bulls are actually seeing continuation. Not just that. Volatility at 24 and 18 telling me that this is healthy volatility, telling me that the bulls have a lot more juice left in them. If they want to step in right here and pick price up once again, taking us up to, what was that level? 70 cents, another 10% to the upside, they can. They have the firepower for that. Okay, and if that happens, the thing about trends, guys, is that when a trend gets established, it usually starts from your lower time frames and then it goes up to your higher time frames. All right, so I will not be surprised when XRP gets up to 70 cents, we could see the 4-hour trend and the 12-hour long trend, which are bullish trends, cascade on over to the daily time frame, on over to the 2-day time frame. You can see the 4-day is still very much long, right? So we can see that cascading play, and also volatility is super healthy. The bulls could pick up a lot more steam right here. There are no flags for concern. Okay, so this is a good picture for the XRP bulls. Now, with this insight, let's get into XRP's chart. So now, given those insights from the dashboard, yes, this move from where price is at right now to around 70 cents could happen very, very fast. The bulls have a lot more steam left in them to actually take price up right there. But not just that, guys. What's playing out in XRP's chart is very special, okay? The 70-cent region is a very, very strong region. And if the bulls reclaim this region, we are looking at minimum a 2x trade from there, right? Here's what I'm seeing. If you look at this entire structure right here, okay, this is not just any rounded structure. This is also a pattern play. We are looking at a cup and handle like formation, a bullish cup and handle playing out on XRP's chart right now. This right here is the cup. This right here is the handle. 70 cents is the neckline. Okay, so 70 cents is now the neckline of that bullish cup and handle like formation, in addition to 70 cents being a historic level that price has respected in the past. Alrighty, if price clears 70 cents, at that point I will be looking for continuation to the upside. Where to from there? Well, for that, let's actually go ahead and check out the measured move. Remember, we're expecting a minimum 2x on this, right? If I plot this on the break, all right, where will this take XRP up to? This will officially take XRP all the way up to $1.78. Alrighty, $1, I think that's around 150% from, yeah, it's around 155% to the upside. And we all know how XRP can move. Just take this candle right here. This came in April of 2021. XRP essentially covered that entire range and then some in a matter of 1 month. So let's not forget what the volatility can look like when it steps into XRP's chart. Alrighty, so this is the cup and handle-like formation. Now another thing alluding to a continuation to the upside. Now this is the one indicator that I really love using on XRP's chart to keep me on the right side of this trend. Get on over to the 12-hour time frame. Okay, go ahead and turn on your Mango dynamic indicator. All right. Now, for those of you who do not have the dynamic indicator, you can find this on the mangoway.com/dynamic. For those of you who want the levels, I'll be giving them to you in a bit. Okay, so just give me a second. But check this out. I'm just going to zoom out of this picture. Okay, nothing too fancy. Just zoom out. As I noticed that every time it started its uptrend, it usually trends on the dynamic indicator. Okay, take this instance right here. All right, we broke past the dynamic, prices came down, tested the dynamic, and then off to the races, all right? This entire move was highlighted by the Mango dynamic indicators. Only when we lost it did the market tell you that, hey, perhaps it's time to really start taking profits off the table, or look for lower prices if you are looking to catch a bid. So now we saw this first trend being established on the 12-hour dynamic, okay? Even if you're being modest about these targets and say you even just got out as soon as prices broke the dynamic indicator, you still managed to catch a good 38% on that move, okay? Now notice, when we broke the dynamic, we actually saw a move to the downside, holding that indicator as resistance until we broke it then for the next time. Once again, we trended along the dynamic even here, right? Once again, to be modest with our targets, okay? From when we reclaimed the dynamic to when we broke the dynamic, even in that, you caught a good 16% to the upside. Now notice, we're not trying to get cute with catching the lows and catching the highs. No, just catch the meat of the move. You still managed to catch a good 16% on that move. Now this was a very volatile pump to the upside, so you had to have been in position before this pump happened. Now notice, even when prices melted down to that dynamic support, okay, say I actually went on to catch a bit there. I'm like, okay, I'm expecting prices to rip up from here, bounce off that region and rip up because it's been following that trend, right? But instead, what happens is prices break the dynamic support. Okay, what information does that give me as a trader? I know that I'm wrong on that thesis. I know that I'm wrong on my trade. Okay, except I don't have to take too much of a loss, and I get to understand when I am wrong very fast. So I find that I can manage my trades off of this extremely well. Now, once again, we actually saw that meltdown into 45 cents, right, per XRP. Now, once again, we trended right here. Okay, this was a very short trend, broke once again, and then reclaimed it right here. And even in this run up right here, we were trending on the 12-hour dynamic. Every visit of that region was met with support until we broke it right here, telling market participants that, hey, you could catch a lower bid on XRP. Alrighty, so what was this move from where price took it out to, let's even just once again be modest when it broke, right? That was still a good 30% on that move. Amazing. Now, and this is why I think that that XRP, I keep saying Cardano, this is why I think that XRP could actually get all the way up to 70 cents. Alrighty, notice what we're doing up against that dynamic support. We have reclaimed it, and for the past 2 days, we've been holding it as support. Price has officially taken out the highest wick right here as well. And not just that, guys, it appears that XRP is triggering a bullish head and shoulders pattern. This is a very long shoulder right here. Okay, it was extremely extended in its price action, right? The neckline comes in right along here. Alrighty. And if I have to go ahead and take the measured move of this pattern and plot it on the break will come in at around 64 cents if we break right here. Okay, this will likely take XRP all the way up to 71 cents, thus breaking that 70 cent level, right? That is the critical region of resistance that we're looking towards to the upside. Alrighty, so this is going to be the next target. It's only when we break this can we expect that next crazy volatile move to $1.74. But even from where price is at right now, okay, to the next target, upper threshold, that's still a good 12% to the upside for XRP. Alrighty, so eyes on the prize. XRP is looking absolutely fantastic. For those of you who want the zone on the dynamic indicator, if you don't have access to it, please go ahead and take note of it. It comes in from around 61 cents. That's 0.6193 going down to 0.6122. Okay, that is the zone. Now the levels on the dynamic move alongside price action. So every time we get a new print, these numbers will change. All right, so if you want to keep up to date with them, make sure you're hitting the sub and the bell icon. That way you catch every XRP analysis that I bring to you, because I will be pulling up the dynamic on every video. Oh my, XRP is moving as we speak, guys. We're getting up to that neckline. If that triggers, you guys know the measured move. Anywho, also just a quick side note for those in the Mango Sprouts program, if there's any chart that you guys ought to be practicing your precision support and resistance regions on, it is XRP. I killed it in the last bull market just trading the zones on XRP's chart. You can find some crazy profitable trades on here because of the kind of volatility that we see on XRP's chart. Okay, so precision support and resistance regions, Mango Sproutlings. Okay, this module is out. Go ahead and check it out. All of these lessons, you got 12 lessons that you guys have to cover. If you haven't checked it out, go ahead and do so. The markets are running. This is the time to juice these markets out for everything that it's got to give you. And for those of you looking to level up your trading game for this bull run, well, go ahead and check out the Sprouts program. The current early bird deal is still on. You can find this on the mango.markets/sprouts. Now, as I start releasing new modules, the price of the program will be going up. Okay, so if there's any time to check it out, it is now. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed today's analysis on XRP. I'll see you in the next video. With this, trade safely, trade stress-free, trade the mango way, trade the easy way. Ciao, you guys.